Welcome back to Daily Drives, where innovation meets the open road. If you love powerful machines turned into luxurious living experiences, you're in for a serious treat. Today we're diving into a unique transformation that's making waves. In the world of mobile luxury, the Kenworth T-2000 Motor Home 2026, so buckle up, because this isn't your average motorhome. This is a beast of the highway, reborn for high class. Full-time adventure, the Kenworth T-2000, originally a long-haul king of the trucking industry, has been reimagined for 2026 into a full-sized, ultra-modern motorhome that blends rugged strength with luxurious comfort. Built on the trusted T-2000 chassis, this motorhome is for those who crave long-distance travel without giving up the feel of a five-star suite from the outside. The T-2000 Motor Home keeps its commanding presence. The aerodynamic design has been subtly enhanced for better fuel efficiency, with improved airflow and reduced drag. The signature Kenworth grille remains front and center, a bold statement of the power that lies beneath. Sleek LED headlamps, chrome accents, and a polished aluminum finish add a modern, refined look to this road titan. It's still unmistakably a truck, just one that now feels like a private jet on wheels. Step inside, and the transformation is mind-blowing. The 2026 2000 Motor Home offers a fully customized luxury interior that redefines what road travel can be. The driver's cockpit is tech-packed, featuring a full digital dashboard, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, 360-degree cameras, and a touchscreen control center that manages everything from climate control to entertainment. It's a seamless fusion of professional-grade truck control and modern smart home tech. Moving into the living area, you're greeted with a space that rivals top-tier apartments. High-quality leather seating, rich wood accents, ambient lighting, and custom cabinetry create an atmosphere of relaxed sophistication. The living room includes a convertible sofa, a mounted 4K smart TV, and a surround sound system. Whether you're watching your favorite show or relaxing after a long drive, the comfort is unmatched. The kitchen is a full-service marvel. Outfitted with premium appliances including a convection oven, induction cooktop, dual-door refrigerator, and even a dishwasher, this is a chef's dream on wheels. Quartz countertops, a deep stainless steel sink, and ample storage make cooking on the road a true pleasure, not a compromise. The Kenworth T-2000 Motorhome doesn't stop impressing. When you enter the bedroom, a king-size memory foam bed with underbed storage, USB charging ports, blackout shades, and a built-in wardrobe offers you a cozy retreat wherever you are. And just steps away is a full bathroom with a glass door shower, flushing toilet, vanity, all fitted with premium fixtures. Hot water is on demand, and temperature is controlled with precision, one of the standout features in the 2026 model is its energy management. It comes equipped with rooftop solar panels, a lithium-ion battery bank, and an intelligent inverter system. Whether you're plugged in or off the grid, power is never an issue. There's also a built-in generator for backup and climate control. Systems for all seasons. Storage is another area where this motorhome shines. Underfloor compartments, rooftop racks, and garage-style rear storage offer space for everything, from bicycles and camping gear to golf clubs and extra supplies. It's made for those who want to bring their lifestyle with them, no matter where the road leads. Safety features are also top-notch. The Kenworth T-2000 Motorhome 2026 includes adaptive braking, automatic collision mitigation, blind spot monitoring, and a high-visibility windshield with integrated heads-up display. It's a secure, smooth, and powerful ride, ideal for solo travelers, couples, or even small families who refuse to settle for less. With the growing popularity of luxury RV living and nomadic lifestyles, the 2026 Kenworth T-2000 Motor Home is more than just a trend, it's a mobile revolution. It caters to those who seek freedom but don't want to give up comfort or class. It's made for the explorers, the dreamers, the road warriors who want the best of both worlds, the might of a semi-truck and the soul of a luxury hotel. So, whether you're planning to hit every national park, drive coast to coast, or simply live a life untethered by traditional boundaries, This motorhome is built for the journey and built to impress. Thanks for riding with us today as we explored the stunning Kenworth T-2000 Motor Home 2026. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of luxury mobile living, don't forget to like the video, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more incredible rides, reviews, and road life inspiration. Until next time, stay adventurous, stay curious, and keep chasing the horizon.